For over 30 years, clients have trusted OpenDoor to fuel their success with technology. Today's client story showcased TradeWest, a well-established business devoted to the art of interior design and ergonomic comfort. TradeWest has been a supplier of attractive and functional furniture for offices, schools, and healthcare facilities since 1986. Previously, TradeWest used Excel spreadsheets to create quotes and sales orders. Their accounting software was slow, data had to be duplicated, reporting was limited, and inventory tracking was difficult. Hunter Hopkins, financial controller of TradeWest, explained, "We needed a more modern system that could streamline and consolidate our internal processes. It was difficult to access all our business information quickly, so it was important for us to move to a system with one central data hub." TradeWest discovered that with OpenDoor, the costs of a Dynamics 365 Business Central Cloud implementation would be significantly lower than with other suppliers. OpenDoor provided a helpful sandbox environment for testing and employee training throughout the implementation process, which was critical in working out any bugs and ensuring everyone was familiar with the system before going live. Now that TradeWest has been using Business Central for a few months, the entire company has been reaping the benefits. Every employee has been working harmoniously in the easily accessible, centralized system with minimal data duplication and all the necessary information right at their fingertips. From quoting to shipping activities, all internal processes are running more efficiently. Hopkins believes the new system and processes will enable the company to continue expanding in the future and scale as required. Hopkins states that, "Having a system like this will allow us to grow in a way that would have been impossible with our old system. The new streamlined processes have introduced large time savings for us. Employees can now complete their day-to-day tasks in a fraction of the time. They love it. We're not looking back." TradeWest has now simplified, centralized, and sped up their systems by switching to Business Central with OpenDoor technology, erasing redundant tasks and improving work life. Contact us for a personalized demo today.